Hey everyone, this is once again David DeFranco with another tutorial for your Squarespace website powered by Squarespace Summit over at sSpaceSummit.com. And guys, you know what? Today's tutorial actually covers one of our favorite features on Squarespace. This is actually really cool. And that is featuring an announcement bar that is universally accessible across your entire website. Now, this is especially useful if you're looking for a call to action regarding a specific announcement on your website, hence the name announcement bar. This could possibly include a new product listed in your online store, or even something as simple as a new blog post. Either way, the possibilities are endless, and to get started, we will access your content manager view by pressing the escape key on the keyboard. And then we will click settings in the very left sidebar, which again looks like a gear. And then finally we'll click on overlays in the sidebar. Now in the middle, you'll see where it says announcement bar. Display a featured message in a large bar across the top of your website. This is useful if you have new or important news to report. When enabled, the announcement bar will be visible on both your mobile and desktop site. So this goes without saying, but I'm going to say it anyway. The announcement bar is one of those features that we strongly believe in. So to enable the announcement bar, we will click this middle drop-down menu and click Enable Announcement Bar. And now clicking this brings up a small text box that enables us to include any text within our announcement bar. Now, as you can see, we already have one set up saying Squarespace Summit is now on Tumblr. Click here to follow us. Now, do you notice where we say click here to follow us? Because what's really cool about the announcement bar on Squarespace is the ability to include a click-through URL. In other words, no matter where your website visitor clicks on the announcement bar, it will take them to any respective URL as long as a URL is actually included in this text box right here. So because my information is already included, we're going to click Save, go to the Squarespace Summit website, and up top here, what do you see? Our announcement bar. Squarespace Summit is now on Tumblr. Click here to follow us. So clicking that takes us to Squarespace Summit on Tumblr. So if you're interested in following us, please do so. We appreciate it. But closing this tab and going back to Squarespace Summit and looking on the far right side of the announcement bar, you'll see a small X. Clicking that does exactly what you would predict it to do, and that's closing the announcement bar. Now what's really cool is this actually saves your browser's cookies. So in other words, next time somebody visits your website using that same browser and that same computer, they will not be bothered by that announcement bar if they're no longer interested in seeing it. Not only is this incredibly useful to you as a website manager, but it's also very convenient to the website visitor because, well, they have the choice. So there you have it. We have successfully created an announcement bar on our Squarespace website. We really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And of course, as always, stay tuned for many future tutorials powered by Squarespace Summit over at sSpaceSummit.com. Thank you for watching.